lalo na, diba, finally makagawa tayo ng ulit.
I know.
So this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us. And we'd like to just give a shout out, syempre, kasi sobrang laking parte din po nila Kuya Ketchup at saka nila Tita Noni dito sa pelikula na to. So if you guys are watching, we're missing you, and we wish you guys were here. Okay guys, let's have fun. Be kind. Thanks.
Sige ako na. Okay. Hindi may iwasan na humugod sa past. But I think bilang aktor, nasa sayo na rin yan kung paano mo siya babawasan man yung nararamdaman mo. Just to protect yourself lang din. Dun sa pain na naramdaman mo. Kumbaga kung kailangan mong humugod.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pa lang. Parang sobrang pained ka. Okay.
Ayun, yun. Parang gano'n.
Julie, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know. I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin. Josh, kasi it's such an intimate one, and na kami lang talaga magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration mas lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zai and ni Wancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Katalino mo, sarap mong pakinggan. Pareto. Mapagsama sila together. Alam ko maraming offers na they want together, pero Star Cinema and Viva ang nakabuo. What made you write this type of story though, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal?
Of course, we are joined by one of our co-writers also, si Jen, who's not here with us, and si Simon, yung isa sa mga bumuo ng story with us. Siguro, when we were just thinking of the project, talaga nag-iisip lang kami kung ano kaya magandang, kasi it's been a while since we had a love story for Star Cinema. And iniisip lang talaga namin, ano kaya yung generation ngayon, paano kaya sila magmahal? Ano rin kaya yung mga mag-stop sa kanila, ano yung mga binibitbit nila when coming into a relationship, ano yung mga factors na iniisip nila kung dapat ba magtatagal or hindi ang isang relasyon. Siguro isa rin yan sa mga naging inspiration namin while writing the story. And to be honest, it's been parang before the pandemic pa, gusto na talaga namin gumawa ng Joshua and Julia film. Pero hindi natutuloy.
True.
Pero we were so grateful that they both agreed to do this project. And we're here now. Na-inspired din kami actually sa Paubaya na music video.
I know.
When we watched it, parang it was just so real for the two of them. And yun, gusto lang namin ikwento kung paano na ba din magmahal yung generation ngayon, di ba? Direk, kung parang paano na sila, do they really hold on? Kasi di ba yung previous generation parang matiisin masyado in the relationship. So I don't know if na-try namin na makwento kung paano yung si Zai at si Wancho magmahal.
I'm sorry, the characters are Zai?
Zai and Wancho.
Wancho.
Tali, wanna add to.
Ayan, Miss Crystal.
Hello po. Siguro when we were also, nung binubuo namin din yung story, we were looking for a very relatable one. Diba? Na nakita naman natin yung kwento na two broken people, diba? Na magkikita ulit. Tapos may, syempre, diba, sa relationship naman kapag natatapos siya, may galit, may sakit, diba? At ang tanong talaga, may pagmamahal pa ba? Diba? So yun, so ang daming what ifs. Pero ang dulong tanong, what now? Diba? After all that what ifs. Anong gagawin? So yun.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Of course, tatanungin na rin natin ang ating director mula sa papabalik tamis sa teaser. Ngayon naman ay ramdam ang init, lasap ang pait at tumatagos ang sakit sa trailer. Ano pang experience ang may expect ng mga tao sa pagbabalik ng Josh Dia? That's for Direk Peterson. Kasi ganda ng trailer, inano na. Andun lahat ng elements ng iba ng emosyon.
Right. Siguro, itutuloy ko lang yung nasimula nila Kukay na sinasabi niya na tinatrack namin ngayon kung paano magmahal yung generation ngayon. Pero I think, gusto rin natin ipakita kung paano sila masaktan. And I think, we we Filipinos like to see, di ba, to mirror that in a cinematic experience. So, parang, yun, bumuo lang talaga kami ng pelikula na ang real nung sakit. I think parang it feels so fresh and current. And for Josh Lia, I think, because when I watch their films, kahit masaya sila panoorin, pero alam mong if you go to that like real painful dramatic route, mapupush pa natin sila. So I was really excited to push that dramatic journey with them.
First time mong mag-direct ng bida ay former mga exes?
Oo.
Kasi if you name it, iba yung route mo dito na tinahak eh. Diba?
Yeah, and I think parang, yun nga, parang tama yung sinabi ni Ju kanina na sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate personal
Sila lang ang
process about
nakakaramdam.
making the scene. So, they were so generous for sharing
Of
themselves in
course,
this
they're great actors, no? Direct. Sarap, no? Okay. Justin?
Oo, masaya kami lahat
Yeah.
sa set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin, sabi nila, oh, yeah.
It's the music.
Sen, may ganyan ba? Or what? And baka lang hindi namin napanood kayo sa trailer, please make us kwento about your role, B.
Well, yung role ko here, it's very short, but I can say na it was very memorable shooting with them, and it was such an honor, you know, shooting with all of them. Kahit ilang araw lang yun, I flew in sa Bicol, and
You were part of the Bicol group.
Opo. And then, parang they really made me feel like I was at home lang. Parang hindi na kailangan ng warm-up. And then, it's such a dream come true also working with Josh Lia. Kasi actually, hindi nga, nung high school ko hindi ako makakonsentrate sa math exam ko nun. Kasi iniiyakan ko yung Paubaya music video nila. Tapos ngayon, parang nakaka-work ko sila sa such a dream come true. So, ayun.
Ito, laging
So, medyo ilang months din po na nagpahinga ako from acting.
Talaga,
So,
pero lagi
yes
kitang
po.
nakikita.
Talaga po.
Everywhere. Hindi, minsan.
Baka sa IG nakita, sir. Sa IG.
Oo nga.
Baka ni-stalk nyo.
Mga shirtless men.
Loko lang. Joke lang.
Siya yung hinot seat.
Huwag mo simulan Joshua ha, huwag mo simulan Joshua. Hindi kasi sabi
Joke lang.
sa Dreamscape siya nagsimula, sa
Yes
Dugo.
po, sa Sandugo, pre-pandemic.
True.
Pero, and first movie ko po ito. So, I'm very grateful na...
First lang baon na naman, gulat-gulatan na naman ako sa mga talaga. First ba?
Yes po, very grateful talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect na papasali ako sa movie. Tapos...
Pero si Direk yata may regrets. Tsare!
No regrets at
Just
all.
kidding.
Opo. Pero nung sinabi po